You might think you know koalas, those fluffy-eared, sleepy-eyed tree huggers. But did you know they have 6 thumbs, or that they survive on a diet that would poison most animals? Get ready to be amazed because these Aussie icons are full of surprises. First off, let's clear up a common mistake. Koalas are not bears. They're marsupials, meaning they give birth to tiny, underdeveloped babies, called joeys, that crawl into their mum's pouch to grow. And here's a weird fact: the koala pouch opens downward. Why? So their babies can eat a special, let's call it nutritional paste, that helps them digest toxic eucalyptus leaves. Yum! Or maybe not. And check out those paws. Koalas are basically the ninjas of the treetops. They have 6 opposable thumbs. Yep, you heard that right. Their hands have 2 thumbs each for super gripping power, while their feet have a clawless opposable digit, perfect for climbing. Plus, they've got built-in grooming combs, 2 fused toes they use to keep their fur looking fresh. Talk about nature's spa treatment. Speaking of fresh, koalas are picky eaters. They only snack on about 30 out of 650 eucalyptus species. And get this, the leaves are super tough, low in nutrition, and packed with toxins. So how do they survive? A special fermentation chamber in their gut, like a built-in detox machine. But because their food is so low energy, they take laziness to a whole new level. Koalas sleep up to 22 hours a day. That's right, they spend 90% of their lives snoozing, only waking up to eat and, well, go back to sleep. Their curved spines, thick fur, and padded butts make tree napping extra comfy. Now that's living the dream. But here's the sad part: koala habitats are disappearing fast. Once numbering in the millions, wild koala populations have dropped to as low as 43,000. Urban expansion, deforestation, and climate change have left them vulnerable to disease, dog attacks, and car accidents. Without intervention, these adorable creatures could vanish forever. But there's hope. Conservation groups are working hard to protect koala habitats, fund wildlife hospitals, and research disease prevention. And you can help by supporting conservation efforts, spreading awareness, and if you're in Australia, being extra careful when driving in koala zones. Koalas may be sleepy, but their story is wide awake. So let's do our part to keep these cuddly creatures around for generations to come. If you love koalas, hit that like button, subscribe for more wildlife wonders, and share this video to spread the word.